lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to review a jewelry brand called Adore by Priyanka. I was scrolling my Instagram and I found this page. Amazing collections. They have beautiful designs and amazing products. They are so unique and super affordable products. So I'll just show you how beautiful it looks, and the jewelries, the finishing and everything. It is the honest review and it is not a paid review, so you can trust this. Okay, without any further ado, let's begin. Yes, so this is how their package is. It comes with their brand name here. It's called Adore by Priyanka, which got ripped off when I had to unpack it. It comes with a amazing dynamo chocolate. This is a super sweet gesture of them, and their thank you card. Let me just open and show you. Let me read their thank you card. It says, "Thank you for choosing Adore. You helped us improve the lifestyle of Indian artisans. So see you again." And behind they have their brand, that is Adore, and they've asked us to tag them on social medias. And there is a tip that they've given. It's of like 2 lines here. So it says, avoid direct exposure to chemicals like perfume, sanitizers, etc. Store your jewelry in a clean, dry, enclosed space. Handmade with love and care. So this is one beautiful thank you card. They come in packets like this, khada, or probably it's a bracelet. So this is how the design is. You can see how beautiful it looks in the screen. I'm putting it up here. This is it, and the finishing is amazing. It has this unfinished finished actually, so I love unique products like this. It is in gold. It's not that flashy gold or it's not that dark yellow gold. It's a proper gold product. It looks like real gold actually, and beautiful finishing. It looks really amazing. So this is how the product is. The next one is also a khada or a bracelet, you can tell. This is super fancy. It comes like the spirals of wires which is tangled. So this is how it looks, and it is actually adjustable, so anybody can wear this. Let me come closer. This is how beautiful it is. You can just wear them this way and you can tighten it, so it looks beautiful. Now we have a set. This is the stud. It is in ruby pink shade and a small green stone in between. It looks like an emerald. So beautiful flower. They've given this string for the necklace, which is again adjustable. It has this leaf design here, which is in pink and green, and the other side it has this beautiful gold finish with 3 lines. It looks so beautiful. You can pair this with all the ethnic wears and it looks so beautiful. It is elegant, simple, and yet amazing. The next one I have is a very cute, super cute necklace. So this is how it is. It has this pearl chain and this is the pendant. You see that amazing, it is so beautiful. This maroon shade is so cute, and this chain as well. So this chain is adjustable. What they've done is, one end we have a hook, the other side, if you can see, I bring it closer, there are 2 big holes, so you can adjust it the way you want the chain to be in size. So this is one neck piece. One more favorite piece of mine is this. This is a sort of metal, and this is the design. It has a square sort of pendant and a chain for it. So this is the chain and this is the pendant. This looks so classy if you want to pair it with some plain kurtas or maybe plain saris, even your western wears. This is one amazing piece. So these are all beautiful sets I got from Adore by Priyanka. As the name says, it is so adorable. And I forgot to tell you another thing. They've given extra stoppers for the ear stud, which is amazing. So you guys can pair these with so many outfits, so many types, so many styles, and you can have a look at their website or maybe their Instagram page as well. I'll link it down below, and you can purchase. They work on natural stone jewelries as well, which is so beautiful. You can have a look at it, and if you like, do purchase and tag me and also tag Adore by Priyanka. Hope you all like this video. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe because it motivates me a lot. So thank you all so much for being here. I love you.